Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Microsoft Teams account to your Claude account. So it's really easy and really simple. All it takes is a few clicks and we're going to sign into Claude as our first step, and then we're going to move over to the Customize tab next. So you can find the Customize tab at the left hand side of your screen, and it should be the bottommost option. So go ahead and click on that, and then click on the connectors option, and then you should see a list of apps or connectors that you can use. So if you don't see Microsoft 365 in your list, go ahead and click on the plus button at the top and then click on Browse Connectors. So this opens up a list of connectors that you might want to add to your account. If you scroll down, it shouldn't take long to find Microsoft 365, but you can also just type it in to the search bar at the top. So once you've found Microsoft 365, go ahead and click on the plus button that should be right here. So right now it says reconnect because I've already connected an old account using this connector. But once you click on the plus button, it should open up a pop-up for you to sign into your Microsoft account with. So it should be noted again that since this is a work-focused connector, this only works with work emails and doesn't allow personal emails to be used. So once that's done, you can also further customize the permissions. It's probably going to look something like this, where you can set some actions to always approve or always deny or to need approval. So once that's done and everything is set up, you can now use your Claude account to interact with your Microsoft account. So you can do things like grab your emails, summarize them, and maybe write messages to Teams or update your calendar natively within Claude. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.